Okay guys, E dot part 2. Again, this is ionic. I'm going to confirm this by looking at my elements on the periodic table. Beryllium is a metal, oxygen is a non-metal, so yes, I have an ionic bond. This is important so that I know what symbol goes with my atoms. I'm going to look on the periodic table to find the E dots. Beryllium gets 2 dots, and this is because it's in column 2A. Oxygen gets 6 because it's in column 6A. And I'm going to go around and around again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6. So I don't make more pairs than I'm supposed to. Okay? So 2 pairs and 2 singles for oxygen. Now in this case, they both make the same number. So beryllium makes 2, oxygen makes 2. So when I go to try one of each, they're actually going to fit together. So I've got an oddly shaped box here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to do 5, 6. So beryllium's going to give an electron there, and it's going to give an electron there. So if I'm going to write it as a finished, I'm going to put my beryllium, and this gives me more room. And I'm going to put my singles and my singles in a way that they match up. So again, beryllium gives electrons here and here in order to make pairs. Oxygen has an octet. Beryllium drops down to have your other electron energy level, and so it's full. So they are both stable now. My formula using metals first would be BeO. So here I have 2 electrons transferring. I don't need to add any more atoms. Okay, and the last one, silicon and magnesium. Magnesium is a metal. Silicon is a non-metal, so I still have an ionic bond. Which one can make more? We're going to look on the periodic table, and we see that silicon has 4 valence electrons only, so it's going to be able to make more bonds. I'm going to put 1 silicon together with 1 magnesium, and my metal will donate to my non-metal. So even though magnesium was able to match up with 2 singles, silicon still is not finished. So I need to add another magnesium. Now how many? So how many would depend on how many bonds that the other atom can make. So with lithium, we had to add several more. But here with magnesium, since magnesium can donate 2, I only need 1 more magnesium to make both of those pairs. They are now both matched up. Silicon has all of its singles matched up. Silicon has the octet. Magnesium drops down, has a lower energy level that has an octet that we don't see. So metals first. So 2 magnesiums and 1 silicon. That's my finished formula.